In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Kit form to Squarespace. If you have a form created in Kit and you want it to show up on your Squarespace site, this process will help you connect the form correctly using the provided JavaScript embed code. Follow along at your own pace, and as you go, make sure you are working in the right site editor so your changes are applied to the correct page. First, log into your Square dashboard. When you are logged in, you should see options related to your websites and site management. Take a moment to confirm that you are using the dashboard for the site you want to update. This matters because the embed will only appear on the specific site you edit, not somewhere else. Next, select Site, then choose Edit Site. This opens the Squarespace editor where you can add new content blocks. If your editor opens on a blank area or a particular page section, that is okay. The goal is simply to get to the spot where you can insert an embed block. Now you will add a new section by clicking the plus button. Look for the plus sign in the editor interface, usually near where you can introduce new elements. Clicking it lets you add additional building blocks to your page without disturbing existing sections. After you click the plus button, click Block, then choose Embed Code. This step is important because Kit forms are added using embed code, not regular text or simple buttons. In the block selection area, scroll or search until you find the embed code option. Once selected, the editor should create a place where you can paste the JavaScript you received from Kit. At this point, it helps to switch over to your Kit account. In your Kit account, go to the area labeled Grow, then Landing Pages and Forms. Once you are there, select the form you want to add to your Squarespace site. Spend a moment verifying that you chose the correct form, because the embed code you copy will bring over the exact form settings you selected. When you have the right form open, click Embed. You should now see embed options, including the JavaScript code needed for your site. Copy the JavaScript code. Try to copy it completely, including any characters, spacing, or line breaks that are part of the snippet, because incomplete code can prevent the form from loading properly. Now return to the Squarespace site editor. You will paste the Kit code into the embed block you created earlier. Click inside the embed code field and paste the JavaScript exactly as copied. After pasting, review the content briefly to confirm it is there. Then click Save to store the changes in the page editor. Finally, click Publish to make the form live on your site. Publishing is what updates your live website, so the embedded form becomes visible to visitors. If your editor gives you a preview option before publishing, you can use it to confirm the form loads as expected, but the key step is clicking Publish once you are satisfied. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.